Changing your password on CapCut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the CapCut app. Launch the CapCut application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon in the app. Step 3. Select security options. Look for a section labeled Security or Account Security. This section will provide options related to your account security settings, including password management. Step 4. Choose Change Password. Find the option to change password. You may be prompted to enter your current password for verification before proceeding. Step 5. Enter a new password. Follow the prompts to enter your new password. Make sure it meets any specified requirements, such as length and character types, then confirm the new password. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider changing it regularly for added security.